about the ABG interpretation. ABG interpretation about the pH value, PaCO2 value and bicarb value. pH stands for percentile of hydrogen in the blood. That normal range from 7.35 to 7.45. Next one is PaCO2. PaCO2 is partial pressure of carbon dioxide in the blood. That normal range from 35 to 45 mm of Hg. Next we have to focus on bicarb level. So bicarb level is 22 to 28 millimole per liter. That is normal range. After that we have to focus on the serums. Serum sodium, serum potassium, serum chloride, calcium and lactate values in the ABG. So before doing any diagnosis you have to focus on the normal values. If the values decrease and increase, it indicates the abnormalities. So first, when the pH level of the blood goes down from 7.35 to and 7.45 less than, that the condition comes into the acidosis. And when the pH level goes above on the 7.45, then the condition comes in the alkalosis condition. So when we have made the diagnosis, we have to focus on the pH, PCO2 and bicarb. So when CO2 mixes with the blood, it forms the acid, that is carbonic acid. So when the CO2 level increases, that makes the body in condition into respiratory acidosis. For example, if the CO2 level is 48-50, that condition is respiratory acidosis. And when the PaCO2 level goes down like that 28-27, that condition is respiratory alkalosis. So next we have bicarb level. Bicarb level to check the metabolic condition. In the metabolic condition, when the level of the bicarb level goes up to 28 millimole per liter, that condition comes into the metabolic alkalosis. And when the condition in the bicarb level goes down 22 millimole per liter, that condition is metabolic acidosis. So when we make diagnosis, we have to focus pH, PaCO2, bicarb. So diagnosis may be metabolic acidosis, metabolic alkalosis, respiratory acidosis, respiratory alkalosis. After making that, we have to focus on the compensation, partial compensation and uncompensated. If the pH values of the patient is normal and bicarb level is increased or CO2 level is decreased, that condition makes the body compensated. This pH is normal, that the body is trying to compensate the condition. If the compensation is not proper, that it comes into the uncompensated condition. Okay? Get it? Any doubt? Okay, tell me what is the normal pH level?
7.35 to 7.45.
If the pH level of patient is 7.25 and the CO2 level is 48, what is that condition? What type of acidosis? CO2 level increase, that condition comes into? Tell me what is the normal range of bicarb? Bicarb level? Okay. So you have the case in which the patient have pH value 7.48 and the bicarb level is 29. What is the condition? Body is trying to compensate or uncompensated? It's come into compensation. Okay? Get it? Any doubt? Clear?